Are you wondering why YouTube TV keeps saying playback error? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what might be causing this issue. If you're frustrated by interruptions during your favorite shows, you'll want to hear this. A playback error on YouTube TV is often caused by internet connectivity issues, such as a weak Wi-Fi signal or insufficient bandwidth for streaming. Another common culprit is browser or app glitches. Outdated apps or cached data can interfere with playback. Using a VPN can also trigger this error, as YouTube TV blocks VPNs to comply with regional restrictions. Additionally, the issue might stem from YouTube TV's servers during high traffic times or outages. To fix it, start by restarting your router, switching to a wired connection, or closing and reopening the app. Clear your cache, ensure your software is updated, and avoid using a VPN. If the problem persists, check YouTube TV's service status or contact their support team. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV says playback error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.